India, a land of diversity, democracy, and dynamic legal evolution. Over the years, the Indian judiciary has delivered landmark judgments that have not only shaped the legal landscape but also transformed the society. Welcome to our channel. Today we go into the pages of history to explore some of the most impactful judicial pronouncements that have left an indelible mark on the fabric of India. These are the landmark judgments that changed India. Our journey begins with the case that laid down the foundation for judicial review in India. Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. In this historic ruling, the Supreme Court introduced the basic structure doctrine, safeguarding the core principles of the Constitution from arbitrary amendments.
It is possible that they may misuse the powers by altering the Constitution. We have to respect whatever Parliament says to a very great extent. I would pity the government, pity Parliament, where Parliament will not know in advance if they are thinking of a social reform. In this case, I think is something which has to be relooked at.
Next, we revisit the pivotal moment when the right to personal liberty was redefined. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. This case expanded the scope of Article 21, affirming that the right to life and personal liberty encompasses the right to travel abroad. This landmark decision reasserted the judiciary's role as the guardian of individual freedom. Moving forward, we shine a spotlight on Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan, a case that addressed the scourge of workplace harassment. Through this judgment, the Supreme Court recognized sexual harassment as a violation of fundamental rights and established guidelines to ensure a safe and dignified work environment for women. I have included some testimonials from activists and survivors highlighting the impact of Vishaka guidelines. Finally, we celebrate a trump for equality and inclusivity. Navjot Singh Johar versus Union of India. In this historic verdict, the Supreme Court struck down parts of Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, decriminalizing consensual same-sex relations. This landmark judgments marked a giant leap towards more progressive and inclusive society. You might have heard about Dati Chand. She is an Indian professional sprinter and she declared that she is in the same-sex relationship. She is now India's first and only openly gay athlete. And definitely, we know the Gauri Sawant from the Wix ad. In 2014, she became the first transgender person to ask for adoption rights for transgender people. These landmark judgments stand as pillars of justice, guiding India towards a brighter and more equitable future. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the legal landscape. This is Simran Pandey from Juristalk signing off. Thank you.